suite at the Jade Hotel and Suites in Makati City, Philippines. As we come in, we enter with a key entrance. And there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units on this floor. Maybe that on each floor. I think it's 5 floors, I'm not sure. It's very nice. This is very clean, very nice place. Come in, you have a small little love seat, small sofa, comfortable too. The artwork in here is very nice. The walls are very nice. They did a good job remodeling. This is very nice. Very nice. I love it. Got your table here. You got air conditioner 1, and then you got your television, cable TV. I believe I saw HBO on there already, and a few other channels. Most are Filipino channels, of course, you're in the Philippines, but there are other. I saw Law and Order on there last night. Couldn't get the game, couldn't get the Eagles game, but you know, it's okay. It's still good. A lot of channels, a lot of options for you. And come here, you actually have a table and 4 chairs. Very nice table and 4 chairs. A lot of space in here. Friends, family, couples. Comes with a small refrigerator. I have a few things in there. Bought myself some coffee. Hot water tea maker. It comes with the cups and the coffee packs. I didn't have to buy that. It came with this water that I bought, but they do give you this. There's water in here, and you have cabinet space if you need it. There are no dishes or anything in there, but there is nothing in here for you to be cooking. They bring you 2 free breakfasts each day with your stay on plates, silverware, and they pick it up. Have a microwave to heat up your food. I had Jollibee. I had to reheat it, so I had that. Under here, more cabinet space, trash can, more cabinet space under here. Got the sink, 2 sinks, double sinks. That's a little view of the neighborhood out the window, out the kitchen window. This is very nice. We come in here. I was curious. I said, what's this door? This would actually be bathroom number 1, the half bath. In case you do have guests and you don't want the mini bedroom. And it actually comes with a bidet. I might have to try that for the first time, but I will not do a review on that. All right, so yeah, so you have half bath with the bidet. Comes with many monogram towels. So let me show you the bedroom. So you come into the bedroom. It's a full-size bed. Very comfortable. It's very soft. Comes with monogram towels, toilet paper, telephone in case you need to contact the front desk or anyone else. Have your little lights there. Air conditioner number 2. More storage space if you need it. I did not need that, but if you do. And you have more storage space if you need it. This I did utilize for a few items. So storage space. This is very nice too. Very nice unit. So storage space if you need it. And TV number 2. And it gave some more slippers. That's nice. More slippers. Again, cable TV in both rooms. Extra outlet over here if you need it. I actually plugged up my laptop while I was sitting on the bed. Did some work, some editing. And come into the main bathroom, and here. So here you go, sink. toilet with a bidet also. You have a nice size shower. Nice size shower. Pretty nice size shower in there. And it is hot water, very hot. The control is right here. If you need it hotter or colder, the control's right there. I turned it up a little bit after I got here to make it a little warmer for what I'm used to. And it works very well for the sink and the shower. That's your bathroom. It's a very nice unit, very nice suite. I'm very, very pleased with this. It's a very nice place. The staff is very friendly. The facilities, they have a pool upstairs, overlooking the city. As a nightclub at the pool every Friday, Saturday night. Sounded pretty good last night. I didn't go, but it sounded pretty good. So here you have it. Jade Hotel and Suites. This is actually room 308. Oh, excuse me. I didn't show you the view overlooking Makati. Very nice. I love this view. I love it. Actually, it's a balcony. You can put a chair out here too if you want to sit out here and just relax. I love the smell of the city. I have come out here a couple of times just to sit, look at the city, smell the city. So this is a nice addition to the room. So now, there you have it. Jade Hotel and Suites, Makati, Philippines. I love this place. I think I'm going to frequent here often. I love it.